Hi, my name is Firaol. I'll tell you guys about just an overview of our project. So our project is a Discord bot that prepares CS students for their career by providing the following features. So the first feature is it provides technical interview coding problems from LeetCode. It provides CS trivia questions from Tutorials Point and Career Guru 99. And also it alerts all the members of the Discord when a new computer science internship is posted on Indeed. It does all this in one comprehensive platform. The bot allows server members to collaborate while putting their knowledge to the test, turning a Discord server into a community for peers to discuss and motivate each other for an interview preparation.
Our bot aims to provide a solution for the lack of job interview preparation and motivation that computer science students face. Discord is a widely used messaging platform that many students are already using to stay connected. And with our bot, their server can be used to foster a community for technical interview preparation. We, as computer science students ourselves, are highly motivated to create a product that will engage collaboration for interview prep in an accessible and engaging way.
Our team used a combination of plan-driven and agile processes. Our project involved three main features dependent on several details that needed to be planned out in advance, such as which websites we acquired data from and how we acquired and stored the data. As we developed the features incrementally, we were flexible to making changes, and we verified that our project met the expectations at the end of each sprint. We use techniques like pair programming to facilitate open communication and quick debugging strategies. We also held weekly meetings that opened in a Scrum manner, where each member debriefed on their progress and points of struggle since the last meeting. We also had team retrospectives where we talked about what went well, what didn't go well, how we can improve for the next sprint, and what we should do to plan for the next sprint.
So the technologies that we used, the first one is Discord.js to we use Discord.js to interact with the Discord API. So our entire code base is in JavaScript. To acquire data from the coding problem and from CS trivia features, we used ParseUp, which automates the web scraping and formats process for acquiring large amount of data.
To acquire data for the CS Internship Alerts feature in timed intervals, we use Cheerio, which is a Node.js library providing an API to traverse and manipulate server data. We also combined the use of Cheerio with Axios, which is a promise-based HTTP client, allowing us to send fetch requests to external servers. For version control, our team used GitHub to provide accountability and organization throughout development. Our team used Visual Studio Code as our IDE as it provides a simplistic environment for quick code build debug cycles. For testing our application, we used Mocha, which is a testing framework for Node.js, and Chai, which is an assertion library that provides an expect interface that can be chained for behavioral driven development. Throughout the course of the project, the team faced a couple issues. One issue is that we originally wanted to use LinkedIn as the main web source for the CS Internship Alerts feature. However, we found that they did not allow web scraping from their website. We also tried this with Handshake, but they had the same policy. In order to address this issue, we researched other career opportunity websites and found that Indeed had both a reliable and vast database, and they did not have a policy against web scraping. Another issue that was faced was the lack of experience with Git to start. So we spent more time on configuration than we thought we needed, which caused a small hurdle at the start of development. Lastly, we had some issues with time management during Sprint 2, given that this was the same time as midterms, so each member was facing heavy workloads from other courses. We had set a plan for Sprint 2, but we had to push back some of the implementation tasks. However, we were able to make up for it during Sprint 3 and managed to finish in a timely manner. Okay, so we're gonna start the bot. And now our bot should be online. So we go into our Discord channel and you can see TARS has an online status. And so we'll just show what commands our bot can do with the man command. So that's just a listing of what we're going to test out.
So the coding problem feature enables users to receive coding interview problems from LeetCode as a chat message in their server. So the server members can discuss their ideas for solving the problem and can use the provided commands to receive a link for the solution. So the commands we used in the bot. So the first one is exclamation mark problem, which pulls a random problem from our database, and then to get the solution, we have another command called exclamation mark solution, which pulls the solution link corresponding to the most recent question. We also handle the case where the problem command is invoked before the solution command. You can generate random questions from the code. You can do the command problem, and then it'll show you the problem. It's a randomly chosen problem. To get the answer for the LeetCode problems, you do a solution, and then you get the solution as a link. You can just go to the link, and so as you can see all the answers for it. Me too. Okay, so for this problem question, I will show you guys the solution for it. When you type exclamation point solution, it will show you a link for the solution, and you follow this link, which will redirect you to another page. Will have the answer for it. Yeah, as you guys can see, there's the answer for it. It has it actually can show you the code, and it actually describes the answer for you guys. And you can also go to discussions, which will show you different answers from different people based on different kind of languages that you can use. As you can see, our team was able to implement 100% of the proposed behavior of the feature.
In a similar manner to the first feature, the computer science trivia feature gives users the ability to receive generic computer science related questions that were scraped from Career Guru 99 and Tutorials Point, in addition to the answers as chat messages in the server. The commands used are the string exclamation point trivia, which pulls a random question from our database, and the string exclamation point answer, which pulls the answer corresponding to the most recent question. We also handle the case where the answer command is invoked before the trivia command. The CS bot has a trivia feature where you'll get a random trivia question and then you'll get the associated answer with the command exclamation point answer. You can also ask multiple questions and you'll keep getting a random question, but then when you do answer, it will be the most recent question that you asked.
As demonstrated, our implementation covers 100% of the planned requirements for this feature. And our last feature is the CS Internship Alerts feature. So this feature serves as an optional alert system that sends any relevant internship opportunities scraped from Indeed on an interval schedule. The user can enable or disable alerts via the !alerts command. And when the alerts are on, the bot will send a message containing an embed with a list of newly posted CS internships and links to their application pages. And for the simplicity of what we currently have, we are scraping a web page that is specific to internships in Northern Virginia. So the alerts feature, if you turn on alerts, it'll let you know that the status is on, and then within 5 seconds, it will get all of the internship alerts or internship opportunities from Indeed. And then we can turn it off by using alerts again. Yeah, so if we had the alerts on for a span of several days, you would see new updates whenever something is posted. Okay, so after having our internship alerts feature on over the span of, I believe, like about 30 minutes, as you can see earlier today, we had turned on the alerts feature at 1:52 p.m. and we got all the listings that were available at 1:52. And then at 2:20, we got an update that there was a new listing posted. And as you can see, it doesn't send everything again. It just filters out what was already scraped and sends the new posting. And we can click on that. And yeah, you can see the entire application web page. Our implementation is able to account for 100% of the proposed behavior.
Our non-functional requirements were reliability, performance, and usability. We met the criteria for reliability as our bot has not run into any issues with failure or downtime. Our bot's performance meets the criteria of taking no longer than 5 seconds to respond to any given command as demonstrated in each feature. We met the criteria for usability as our implementation only includes 6 bot commands, which is less than our maximum of 8, and for basic use does not require more than 5 mouse clicks unless users are extensively utilizing the coding problem feature that provides solution links.